Hello, thank you for joining us on this website authoring. We're looking a little bit further at opening web pages using hyperlinks. This task we're going to refer to the activity we did in the last session when we made a hyperlink for the website CIE website and the W3C website. The task here is to make the hyperlink to the W3C website open in the same window and the hyperlink to the CIE website open in a new target window called _CIE. Well, what we are asked to do here is to add a small extra command inside the hyperlink reference, inside that anchor link. Now what we do is we put a space after the reference to the website. Let's just find where we've referred this website, and let's go to here, the CIE. Now we want the CIE website to open in the I believe that one was the same. Let's just check. The CIE is a different, and the W3C in the same. Okay, let's go to W3C because we want to open that in the same. Now here, after the reference, we'll put a space. Now still inside this anchor, we're going to give what's known as an attribute. Now an attribute will state where they want the window to open. Now the attribute here for the W3C website is actually going to be, not the attribute, it's an attribute called target. It is an attribute, but we call it a target command. The target will be self. So we will go _self. That is, it will open in the same window as we're operating. So that's the attribute. It's a target window and it will be self. Well, let's go to the attribute target window for CIE, space, target equals, and we want it to target in a separate window called CIE. So let's give it a name, CIE. And that is the separate window. It will go to a new window, it'll open it up, and it will be called CIE. Well, let's save this and run it. We go open within internet. Okay, so here we go. So we'll go down to this link. Now, W3 should open it in the same window. And there it is. It's pushed out the old window and it's pushed in the new. If I back arrow, it'll go back to where it was. So that's opening it in the same window. Now the CIE should open in a separate window, so the attribute is, no, it's still opening it in the same window. That's not what I was expecting. We'll have to find out why that did that. Okay, so if you can, oh, hang on. Let's go down here. Ah, no, it's fine. Here it is, I hope. Let's close all these other windows because there's a lot of them. Maybe it was already opened. Let's start it. Let's see if this link is working actually. I want two separate windows when we click. So let's open, select that, open with Internet Explorer. Okay, so we've got one window open. When we click W3C website, we've still got only one window open. So let's go back. Let's click CIE website. Now let's see if we've got two windows open. Oh yes, it opened in a separate window called CIE. That's fine. So uh, we've got the original and we've opened it in a separate window, which is good. So we're okay. So that is the task, to open in a separate window. The next task we're going to be looking at is using a hyperlink to send an email. So until then, practice what we've learned and get good at it and stay happy.